Okay. Just got out of the tour.
Hey, Ryan, look.
Waiting for Oh my gosh. Okay.
Look at this.
Let's see, everybody. Check this out.
Clarified with her.
Waving from a window. Okay, Mom.
Oh, are we on countdown?
No, you're on.
Oh, okay. So guess what, you guys? Just found out. See? Always learn something new, no matter how old you are. All right, so apparently
So
Wagner
boring.
actually at times stayed here.
This
and they
castle.
had, this castle, all right? And they actually had his own room.
Music room.
Well, yeah, his own wall. He had like a bedroom, too. And there's a piano. I saw the piano that Wagner composed at. I'm so excited, you guys. Richard Wagner from the Romantic period stayed at this castle.
Mom, we're trying to move back.
Hold on, I'm trying to take a picture.
So,
here.
yes. So, you guys, if we ever, have our little school trip, we could come here and we could see where Wagner stayed and see his piano and everything. This is
Do
exciting.
an EF tour, just go here.
This is exciting, guys. I did not know that. I did not know Wagner stayed at this particular castle. I knew.
And I did not know
Ludwig
Ludwig
that
would be waving
helped
out.
him out.
Mom
and he
also
actually-
didn't know that he was waving through the window.
Here's King Ludwig waving through the window. Okay, and cut.